In the first Mawlai Derby of the OC Blue Shillong Premier League 2021-2022 that was held at the third ground Polo on the 14th of July 2022, Mawlai Sports Club pummelled Ryntih Sports Club by 5-0, where Mawlai now has a 6-point lead over their nearest rivals. The 5 goals for Mawlai Sports Club were scored by Pinbha Suting in the 45th minute, Donla Dingdor in the 48th minute, Manbha Yaupnyao, who scored 1 goal in the 53rd and the other in the 81st minute, and Samuel Lingdor Kanshi in the 86th minute of the match.